Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss single cast delegates in C Sharp. Delegates are powerful features of C Sharp language that allows you to treat a method as object, and that method can be passed around, and the reference of that method can be stored in another variable. So single cast delegates are the simplest and most common types of delegate in C Sharp. So let's see what are single cast delegates. Single cast delegates are delegates that can refer to a single method. So that's why they are single cast delegate. They are the simplest and most common type of delegates in C Sharp. Single cast delegates are declared using a delegate keyword followed by method signature. So let's see how we can declare a single cast delegate. To declare a single cast delegate, we can use delegate keyword followed by method signature. For example, we can declare a delegate called myDelegate that can refer to a method which takes two integer parameters and return an integer. So we can declare something like this: delegate integer myDelegate int a comma int b. So this is how we can declare a delegate. Now creating instance of the delegate. Let's see how we can create an instance of single cast delegate. To create a single cast delegate instance, we can use a new keyword followed by the method name, followed by a delegate name and method name. So for example, we can create a new instance of myDelegate that refers to add method. So we can declare something like this: myDelegate del equal to new myDelegate of add. So add is a method name and this del is a delegate instance. So up till now we declare delegate, then we create an instance of delegate. Now let's see how to invoke a delegate. To invoke a delegate, we can use a delegate instance followed by the parenthesis and the method argument. So del is the delegate instance, then parenthesis, then the method arguments, that is in this case 2 and 3. So let's see the demo. Let's go to Visual Studio. Okay, all right. So in this example, we first declare a delegate called greeting delegate that can refer to a method that takes a string parameter and returns void. We then create a new instance of greeting delegate that refers to a greet method. Finally, we invoke a delegate by passing the argument the debugger's hub, which causes the greet method to be called with the argument debugger's hub, and the message hello debugger's hub will be printed on the console. So let's see, I'll run this. I'll debug start without debugging. Somehow Visual Studio is taking time. You can see the output is hello, comma debuggers hub. Okay, let's move forward. Then we will see, as we know, delegates are used for callback. Okay, so let's see the example of callback as well. Let me open that. Okay, so in this example, we define a delegate called myCallback, which takes integer parameter and returns void. We also define a calculator class with a static method add. That method takes two integer parameter int a and int b and the myCallback delegate. The add method calculates the sum of these two parameters a and b, and once the calculation is done, the callback delegate will be invoked. Okay, let's see the main method. So in main method we call the add method with two values 2 comma 3 and pass the show result method as a callback delegate. Okay, we are passing the reference of this method. The show result method simply prints the result to the console. When the add method completes, it calls to the show result method with the result of the calculation. So let's see the benefits of single cast delegates. So if we see, there are so many benefits of delegates. Some of them we'll discuss here. Single cast delegates allows us to pass a method as a parameter to other method, or that reference can be stored in some another variable. Delegates enable us to create a flexible and modular code that can be easily reused and extended. Single cast delegates also helps us to achieve loose coupling and separation of concerns by encapsulating the methods. Now let's conclude this. Single cast delegates are the simplest and most common types of delegate that we discuss. Then we discuss about single cast delegates allows us to treat a method as an object and pass them around our code like a data. Then we discuss about single cast delegates promotes loose coupling and separation of concerns, making our code more modular and maintainable. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such a content on programming and software development. See you in a next video of multicast delegate. Thank you.